Hey guys, it's Jules with DIY with Jules, and we have a video for you. I picked up this gorgeous console table from the trash. I could not believe my eyes when I passed by. I had to stop and pick it up. It is a black and gold and it's beautiful. Whoever put it in the trash, I am so happy that you guys did. It is not my color, but I am definitely going to glam it up and give it a nice rustic look. So the first thing I did was give it a good sanding. The table actually was in a really good shape and you didn't have to do anything to it. But in order for the paint to adhere, you have to sand it down and scuff it up just a little bit. My colors are white and brown. I decided to go, of course, you guys already know, in a rustic glam look for my new home, and those are the two colors that I chose. Now this video is going to be for two different console tables, one which I bought at a secondhand store for $20, and this one that was free $99. I am going to have a long hallway for my house, so I decided to go with two console tables instead of one. Keep on watching. Now once I had the bottom painted, I covered it up with a newspaper and I went on to spraying the top with this beautiful dark espresso brown. I had all types of ideas running through my head. The first idea was to go back and paint the trimming of the table in a brown. Once it was all done, guys, for real, I was looking at it and it looked like a daggone ice cream sandwich. And I got hungry. But no, seriously, it looked like an ice cream sandwich and I just couldn't do it. So I decided to paint the whole bottom in the white and went on to glamming it up. That's better. I picked up these self-adhesive mirrored sheets and I cut them down to size. I also picked up this strip of my favorite bling wrap and I went ahead and embellished the front, the sides, and I also embellished the legs. And I'm happy to announce that I have become an Amazon associate, and everything that I have used on this video I will be linking down below on the Amazon page. And you see where the leg splits and it comes up to the bottom of the table? Well, I decided to cut part of the bling wrap straight down the middle so that it can split right at the meeting point of the two legs. I added a few gems to the front and the sides of the table, and I will also be adding a knob to the center so that it can look like you can open and close the drawer. Guys, this is an absolutely beautiful table. This is my idea of rustic glam. I hope you like it as much as I do. Now for the next table. Near me. It's really dirty. They must have had pets and somebody was chewing in the corners. But, you know me, I am going to refurbish and make it look brand spanking. So it is very dirty, like I mentioned before, and I used my go-to solution, my vinegar and my water, to clean the table off. It had a lot of grimy yellow dirt on it, and that has to come off because the top will be sprayed with rustoleum paint, and we can't paint it if it has all that sticky grime on it. I used wood glue and sanding dust to make my own wood putty in order to fill up some of the imperfections. This table had a lot of indentations and dents, and so I filled up as many as I could and left the rest. I sanded it down really well and left it the way it was. For the areas that needed to be repaired, I used nail glue in order to repair the section because I didn't have any wood putty, and it actually worked pretty well. I put a piece of tape underneath the corner, and then I just took a small bead of the nail glue and went over the corner using my finger to try to create the point as best as possible. Took the hardware off the drawers and then I started painting. I decided to use the same colors, the espresso and the white, on this table, except on the bottom of this table I will be using chalk paint. I went ahead and painted the bottom half with chalk paint. I didn't put that all in the video because you guys have seen me paint hundreds of times before. I give it 3 coats of chalk paint on the bottom half, let it dry, and then I went on to painting the top. I painted the hardware the same color as the top of the table, and my table was done. No bling on this one. For a second there, I thought the drawers didn't work. Go figure. Absolutely gorgeous. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one you like the best. Guys, thanks again for coming to my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And now, don't forget that I have the Amazon account so that you can purchase all the things that I've used on this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Please be safe, use your gloves and your masks. Bye.